guys, in this video we are going to discuss some more divisibility rules. Fine, interesting. These are the type of interesting rules. Fine, so you have to study in this 4 rules are there. Fine, so we are taking up with the first rule. That is nothing but if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. So we'll take up with one example. Fine, we'll take 18. Fine, if a number, we are taking 18 as a number. So 18 is divisible by 9, right? 18 is divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by another number, that means 18 is divisible by 9. Then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. So if you see this number, it has how many factors? 1, 9, 3, and how much? Let's say, right? 1, 9, 3. These are the factors. If you see factors of that number, another number, that means 9. This number is divisible by this thing also. It gets divided by 18 also. You have to understand that if a number is divisible by another number, if a number, this is a number, 18 number, it is divisible by 9, right? So 9 we are taking the factors. So you can observe that this factor, suppose we take one factor 3, you can see 3 is 18 is divisible by 3 also, or 3 gets divided by 18, right? So this is how the first rule says. Fine, we'll take one more example. Fine, suppose we'll take 18 is divisible by 6 also, right? Now the number is 6. Fine, 18 is divisible by 6 also. So what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Fine, 1, 2, 3 and 6. We'll take which one? We'll take suppose 2. This is one of the factor. 2 we'll take. You have to check whether it is divisible by 18 or not. You can say 2 gets completely divided by 18, or 2 is a multiple of 18 is a multiple of what? 2. We can say directly. So you can observe that if a number is divisible by another number, then these factors of that number, another number, this gets divided by this number. Fine, gets completely divided by that number. Fine, this is the first rule. What about the second rule? If a number is divisible by 2 co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. What do you understand by the word co-prime? So basically co-prime numbers means it has only one factor. Suppose we'll take 4 and 5. Fine, you can observe that what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. 5, 1 and 5. You can observe that there is only one common factor, that is 1 is only common here, nothing else. So these two are co-prime numbers. Fine, so if a number is divisible by 2 co-prime numbers, we'll take one number 20 by 2 co-prime numbers. Well, 20 is divisible by 4 also and 5 also, right? These are the 2 co-prime numbers. Then it is divisible by their product also. That means 40 and 5. Let's see, 4 product means 4 and 5. 4, 5 is how much? 20, right? Product. So you have to understand that if I take one more number, suppose I'll take how much? 40. I'll take 40. See, 40 is divisible by 4 and as well as 5, right? 40 is divisible by 4 and 5. If I multiply these two co-prime numbers, you will get how much? 20. Now see, the 20 is divisible by 40 also. Fine, it gets divided by 40 also. It's the same case, right? Here also 20 gets divided by 20. Same case. So this is the second rule. This is the divisibility rule, second one. Fine.